NASA is about to launch a machine capable of surveying in 70 days what would take Hubble over 80 years. And it is being prepared right now to ride into deep space on top of a SpaceX Falcon Heavy. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope represents the next massive evolutionary leap in space astronomy. As final hardware integration and environmental testing conclude at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Maryland, the timeline toward its destination at the Sun-Earth L2 point is locking into place. NASA selected SpaceX's Falcon Heavy rocket to deliver this multi-billion-dollar observatory nearly 1 million miles away from Earth, where it will execute the most comprehensive cosmic survey ever attempted. To appreciate why this launch is sending shockwaves through the scientific community, you have to look at what Roman physically does. It carries a primary mirror 2.4 meters wide, the exact same size as Hubble's. But attached behind that mirror is a 300-megapixel wide-field instrument, with a field of view 100 times larger than Hubble's. Where Hubble captures a pinprick image of deep space, Roman captures a massive panoramic map at the exact same crystal-clear resolution. One single shot from Roman will contain as much data as 100 Hubble observations combined. Because of this immense visual coverage, Roman is engineered to answer questions that have stumped theoretical physicists for decades. It will map the distribution of hundreds of millions of distant galaxies to study dark energy, the mysterious force making up 68% of the universe that is actively driving space apart at an accelerating speed. It will also map dark matter by measuring how its invisible gravitational pull warps the light of background galaxies through gravitational lensing. Roman's targets do not end at cosmic structure. Its microlensing survey will search the inner Milky Way for thousands of exoplanets, including the first systematic catalog of free-floating rogue planets, entire worlds drifting through the cold dark between stars without a sun. On top of that, Roman carries a revolutionary coronagraph instrument, a device that physically blocks out the blinding glare of host stars, so scientists can directly capture light reflected off orbiting alien planets. This is the critical baseline technology needed for future missions, searching for atmospheric biosignatures on distant Earth-like worlds. Riding to space aboard a SpaceX Falcon Heavy gives Roman the heavy lift performance required to place its massive structure directly into an orbit at Lagrange Point 2, without wasting precious onboard propellant reserves. Launching no later than May 2027, Roman will operate alongside the James Webb Space Telescope and Hubble simultaneously, creating a multi-generational network of observatories analyzing the cosmos across wide-field infrared, deep space infrared, and visible light. The hardware is built, the tests are concluding, the rocket is assigned. Humanity is on the verge of mapping the unseen majority of the universe in high definition. So tell me in the comments, if Roman reveals that dark energy is changing over time and our current laws of physics are incomplete, would you want scientists to rewrite what we know about reality, or does the idea of an unstable universe genuinely terrify you? Hit the follow button right now if you want to track every milestone leading up to this game-changing launch, because we cover the future of space exploration as it happens every single week.